Welcome to Hyder's floor sweeper and scrubber production line. We've been dedicated to the research, development, production, and sales of cleaning equipment for over 5 years. Our factory is located in Enhui, equipped with specialized production lines for both floor sweepers and scrubbers. Each machine is carefully crafted to ensure stable performance and exceptional cleaning results. Whether for industrial facilities, commercial spaces, or public areas, our equipment meets diverse cleaning needs. With independent mold production capabilities, we offer flexible, customized solutions tailored to your brand's specifications. From product design to manufacturing, we work closely with our clients to deliver custom products that align with their unique requirements, enhancing their brand competitiveness. We ensure quick production and delivery, with standard orders shipping within 7 days. Additionally, all products are professionally packaged for seaworthy transport, ensuring safe arrival at your destination. Feel free to reach out to us for more information on our cleaning equipment solutions. We look forward to your inquiries and future collaboration.